video conference with your boss, meetings with your colleagues? Well, if you have 10 minutes to prepare, I'll teach you how. To start off, don't forget to eat and drink because your brain would need that extra boost of energy. Now, before I start with makeup, I am using Esfolio Hydrating Mist just to hydrate my skin before I use any makeup. You may go straight to foundation, but I like to use concealer to hide my under eye circles, and I'm using Catty Doll Skinny Concealer Matte and Bright in shade Light Beige. Using the pencil side, I'm hiding some redness on the sides of my nose, on my chin, and random areas like pimples. Using a medium to high coverage concealer saves you time because you don't need to use foundation to apply all over your face. To set my concealer, I'm using Neo & Co. Wonderful Powder in shade Warm Sand. This powder is a shade or two darker than my original skin tone, but it gives a glow, working like a bronzer for my skin. It looks really good on camera and in person. For my brows, I wanted something uncomplicated, and I'm using Makeup Forever's Aqua Brow in shade 20. This fills up my brows quickly, making it look full and healthy. You don't need to use the exact product I'm using. You can choose your favorite brow products, either pencil or brow powder. You do you. This is the BTLA Sculpt Trio, and I'm using the darkest shade, which is the contour powder, to contour my eyelid. You can use any dark colored eyeshadow. The only thing you need to do is to give a wash of color on your eyelids. As always, don't forget the lower lash line. This step is optional, but I'm picking highlight powder, highlighting the center of my eyelid, inner corners, and lower lash line. Since I'm also testing this product, I am using Absolute New York's Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in brown. This pencil have very soft tip and is highly pigmented, so it's a perfect eyeliner for me. Using a brush, I smoke out the pencil before it sets. Curl your lashes and apply 2 coats of your favorite mascara. I used MAC's Powder Blush in Harmony to contour my face. Can you see the difference? For my blush, I'm using B by Vanilla Cheek Tint in shade PK022. We are almost done. Now I'm picking K Palette's One Day Tattoo Lasting Lip Tint Stick in shade 01. This product is super hydrating, so it works for my dry lips. Now fix your hair, wear a coat, and you're ready to go. Slay that meeting and good luck. Thanks for watching!